In this video, we will review the screen of the CAPO 12. Upon powering the system on, we receive a warning about lethal voltage and current. This screen is the results screen prior to a test. We see capacitance, power factor, test voltage, test frequency, current, power, and temperature. A temperature probe is optional with the CAPO 12, but the temperature can be entered manually. Here we see our test voltage, right now set for 100 volts. We can select any voltage from the presets, or we can set our own test voltages on the right. We can also do multiple voltages as a sweep. Here, we can increment the voltage up or down. I've selected 500 volts. This is our test frequency. Here we can select any frequency from 10 to 400 hertz using the presets or the user-defined buttons. We can increment the frequency up or down. We can add and subtract 6% or 5% to the frequency to eliminate noise in a noisy substation. We can also do a sweep frequency test for power factor. These are our test modes. All standard test modes are available. We can identify the transformer. We can have multiple tests run simultaneously. And we can do excitation. We will review this in more detail in another video. Here we have single mode for running a single test, or continuous for running continuously, which can be used for troubleshooting. Across the bottom, this is where we would select a new test object. This is the information about the test object. The archive is our stored results. And setup is some of the more general setups about the instrument. Prior to running a test, we have to make sure our safety ground and our high voltage ground are at the same potential. If they are not at the same potential, the test set will not operate. Also, we have a safety switch. Without the safety switch, the test set will not operate. Here you can see the safety switch depressed. Here it's open. Here the high voltage ground is not connected to the safety ground. Once those parameters are met, we can run a test. the results are automatically stored. In addition to total current, we can see the resistive component as well as the capacitive component. We can also see the current at 10 kV. We can also see the power at 10 kV. Thank you.